Welcome to our exploration of hematology, the branch of medicine focused on blood and its disorders, vital to understanding human health. Hematology involves the study of blood cells, including red and white blood cells, and platelets, each playing crucial roles in our body. Hematologists diagnose blood diseases like anemia, leukemia, and clotting disorders, ensuring patients receive proper treatment. Anemia, a common blood disorder, affects millions globally, causing fatigue and weakness due to low red blood cell counts. Healthy blood circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients, a process that contributes to overall wellness. Blood tests are the primary tools for hematologists, providing insights into various health conditions through comprehensive analysis. Research in hematology is ongoing, exploring new treatments and understanding complex blood disorders to improve patient care. Many treatments exist for blood disorders, including medications, transfusions, and therapies, leading to better patient outcomes. Education on blood health is crucial, empowering individuals to recognize symptoms and seek timely medical advice. Thank you for joining us in our dive into hematology. Understanding blood is essential for a healthier tomorrow.